Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing fidget trading with my cousin, and here are all my fidgets and they're all hers. Her account is right here, you should go follow, and obviously mine is here. So let's get started. Would you like to offer first or should I?
I'll offer.
Okay.
I know what Charlie really wants, so...
Oh my god, it's a tangle. I will give you a snapper, all my monkey noodles, and I think simple dimple. Is that good? You have to, that is the X, that is the add, that's decline, that's add, that's accept. So, fine, all my magnet rings, all my dimples, all my stress balls.
Take off the giant grey cat and I'll accept.
Yes, yes, take it, take it, take it, take it, take it, take it. Oh my god.
You just got scammed.
I didn't get scammed. You just broke the sheet. I didn't get scammed because I love this. Okay, I'll offer next. I offer my purple square puppet. It's a really good puppet.
Oh my.
And now let's listen to the loud side.
I really want one of those. Okay.
I'm trying to scam her back. Okay, how rude.